From the past to the future, OPPEIN will always stay true to the mission. It will change the future of the furniture industry in Nigeria and build a better home for every family.
Welcome to OPPEINAbuja, the largest cabinetry manufacturer in Asia and Africa. Today we are here to show you one of our modern kitchen designs. This beautiful kitchen, Austin. Austin offers you ample space to make healthy food, store food items, and kitchen utensils. Austin is packed with 2 pot stone countertops. This provides enough workspace within the kitchen. Our countertop is perfect for a busy kitchen as it is extremely strong, resistant to scratches and chips, waterproof, and can stand up to decades of use by your busy family. Our wall cabinet comes equipped with an oven, an overhead pull-down basket, and ample storage for dry food products, glassware, and other kitchen utensils. Our base cabinet is fitted with a double stainless sink that can hold up to 25 kg of kitchen items. Storage for your pots, kettles, jugs, etc. etc. If you love this design and want to implement it in your home, you can call us on 092 921 760. You can also check out our website at OPPEINAbuja to see other modern kitchen designs, or you can walk into our showroom located at number 173B, Aminu Kano Crescent, Wuse, Abuja. See you soon.